Hello, this is DKBMX and
Addiction Bike Co. Giving you a bike check on the DK generally. So you got DK bar ends, DK Tsuku grips, have a stock brake system, top load stem, integrated headset.
we have Star Circle rims, stock forks.
Of course, the general leaf frame, stock seat, stocks. I think it's 36 or 39 tooth sprocket, 175 millimeter
Three-piece cranks,
Feedman pedals,
and we have a 12-tooth back sprocket,
and it has green DK brake pads.
KMC chain, Star Circle rim, and Anthony's gonna give you a hub check. Stop. Okay, so, yep, both have the general leads.
And it has a American bottom bracket. If you were to get this bike, just be careful because when you first get it, it always starts clicking when you're pedaling slow.
Yeah, but when you pedal, once you ride this bike a lot, it just goes away.
Or if you still have it new and you ride faster, you don't even notice it because
it'll be silent. But don't think anything's wrong with it because I've had mine for a few months now and it's good now.
It has 8-inch rise bars, and it weighs about
25.
It weighs like
24 to 27. It's in there.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Comment, rate, subscribe. Goodbye.